And this is also the fast forward to exhaust the bubbles in the syringes. And the KVO. Also, you can adjust the KVO rate. And this is occlusion. You see, the occlusion, you can adjust it from here directly. The occlusion pressure level is with 13 levels. You can adjust directly from this area. And the system settings. The sound. And the brightness setting of the screen, you see, it's very dark. Okay. And the system time. The language. Our pump have made many different languages, such as the English, Turkish, and Russian, and Spanish, and so on. The operation record. The nurse can inquiry from here of the operation records for the patient. And the lock screen time setting, you also can adjust like this. There is an alarm of the forgotten operation reminder settings. You see? And this is also alarm settings. There is a night mode setting. The patient information. And this is the version number, system maintenance, and this is very important. And the drug library. There is more than 500 drugs in our pump. And this is our drug name. Thank you.